This video will talk about project managers. Managers are basically the people who will carry out the entire project to make sure everything is in order and it will be finished at the end of the day. So your role will mostly involve building projects, uploading different assets inside the projects, inviting collaborators, inviting clients, revising files or digital assets. So let's get started. First is you will have to create a project. Please be mindful that you will only see your own project in here, the one that you created, or if you are invited to certain projects, you will not see the other projects of other project managers. So just click on the create a project. If you are in the enterprise plan, you will have these templates right here. But of course, you can start from scratch if you wanted to. So you can just type the title and the description that is really optional and then click next. This is what the inside of a project looks like. When starting a new project, everything here is empty. The reason why we have these different faces is because I've added this earlier. But as part of your role, you will have to set up the faces of your project. It really depends on what your goals and priorities. So it's very simple to add a face. Just click this one, name that, and click add. And this is what it'll look like. You can add unlimited faces if you wanted to. You could also visit or add faces in this area. Let's talk more about other customizations that you need to set up. After faces, you have to set up your statuses. These are the suggested statuses that we have here, but you can definitely customize this, especially if some of these don't fit your workflow. So it's very simple. Just click, you can either choose the AI option, just click that and then click apply. It will generate these suggested statuses. Or you can customize your own status by typing here and clicking add. You may also change your default status, let's say open, and then exit whatever you don't want to include in your statuses. Next that you need to customize would be our task types. So these are the suggested as well. And the same with statuses, you can do choose AI or just type your own and change your default type in here. Make sure that before you exit this one, you hit save all suggested types or saved all suggested statuses so they will be permanently in here. Now we're done setting up all of those customization. The next thing you're going to do is to upload digital assets. Just click on the add content button in here, or you can just directly add content for each phases. So we have different options, just like the URL, PDFs, zip, and many more. It's very simple to add. Just click on the option and then choose a file in your folder. Once it's uploaded, this is what it would look like. So what's next? Of course, we are going to invite our team members. The internal stakeholders are responsible as well for reviewing the files before we share that to our clients. To invite collaborators, just click the collaborator button in here, click add collaborators, and type their email address. You can type multiple people at once and then copy the invite link or send them an invite directly to their email. Now, we're done inviting them. So let us start reviewing. Just click this file, or you can directly just click the review button in here. This will open a new tab where you can leave your review. So in this tool set, just click whatever you want to use. For example, the pencil icon, then start annotating in here. Then you hit send. All of your comments will show up in this side as well. Great. Now let's go back to our zipBoard account again. As you've noticed, the task list here shows two comments, which basically represents the two annotations that we created in here. That means any comments made by the internal stakeholders, which means the collaborators basically, all of their comments and annotations will go here in your task list. After reviewing by internal stakeholders, the next thing that you want to do is to send this to your client. But how do we invite them? It's almost the same process with the collaborators. Just click this button in here, click Add Client, and type their email address. Then hit Invite or copy invite link. After you invite your client, please know that they won't see this file unless you share this to them. So just click the client, just click their name, and you can set access. You will choose only external comments if you don't want them to see your internal comments. But if you want them to see your internal comments, just click all comments option, then hit share. Now, once the client is done reviewing the asset, all of their comments will go here into external feedback because they are external stakeholders. So you've noticed these are the comments made by our clients. Now, this is where you can triage all of those comments. If you think that a certain feedback should be tracked and implemented in the next version, then I would say you would ask this as a task. So we can track and we can assign people for this specific task. So all you have to do is click this and click yes. Once you added that as a task, it will go in your task list. And notice that it says here reported by me as an external. In this area, this is where we can assign these tasks to people who are responsible for this issue. So you can assign this to your team. You can set statuses, the task types, priorities, due dates, completion date, phases, all of these things. You could also communicate in here with the team to share updates, no more back and forth in your emails. Great. So after that, let's say you've implemented all of the changes mentioned by your clients or mentioned by your internal team. Now you need to upload the new version and to share this again to your clients. It's very simple. Just click back to upload, click to file, and upload the new version right here. This way we can keep tracking all of the different versions of your document. Just click the upload a new version and choose the file. Notice in here that this is the original file that we've uploaded. This is where we've commented. Basically, this one is the uploaded or the new version that we've uploaded. Then you can assign reviewers, can assign back to your clients, or to share this and generate this to access by other people as well. And here you can track the activities. Is this was opened or sent to collaborators or clients as well? And then set the status as to this specific asset. Now, if you want to report about the overall project, just click the report section in here, and you will have a reporting basically of what happened in this specific project. And that's it. Let us know if you have any questions about the manager role. Thank you.